Hello everyone, Salam. This video was supposed to be uploaded months ago. I took a trip to Sri Lanka with my sister and amazing mother. This trip was more of a relaxation type compared to my other trips since my beloved mother is with us. We went to different cities, Kandy, Eliya, Colombo, and of course Bintota. We were met at the airport by our dear friend Faisal, best tour guide ever. Before we made it to our first city, Kandy, we took this amazing detour to this elephant sanctuary, which the entrance fee was a bit pricey, but totally worth it if it will be used to save those elephants. We had an elephant buddy that it was named Puja. We took a stroll with it, gave it some fruits and bathed in the river. But the sanctuary by itself is amazing. They have different plants, trees, and my mother was falling in love with this place. It was really amazing. And what I loved the most that on the way they have these signs that give you interesting facts about elephants. هذه يسموها جنة الدنيا. الاسم اعتقد امبتولواوا، متأكد اني غلطان في النطق، بنأكد عليكم بعدين.
يلا Sri Lanka teacher. اوكي يلا انت كم كلام؟ اونده رنده موندو نالو.
From the beautiful sceneries in Jannat Dunya to the amazing hotel in Kandy, we made it to Amplituawa because I really wanted to visit that tower.
So let me tell you the story. My mother and sister are over there. The tuk-tuk was not able to take all of us, so I need to hike all the way up there. Yeah, that's me. But at least I'm hiking with a view.
I don't know about you guys, but this is amazing. Climbed all the way up. Take this view here. For a view. This is a masjid. That's a Buddhist temple, and that's a Christian church. No, that's a Buddhist. That's a Hindu. Before making it to Nuwara, Faisal made a stop to this tea factory called Storefield, where we were shown how the tea is treated and produced with different equipments and so on. But the best part is that I learned how to make the best masala chai.
Thank you.
I think by this time everyone should know that I really love tea, so we went to another factory called the Bluefield factory, and there I tried tea cake. The roads are like a zigzag all the way up, and there was those kids that sell flowers, but this kid was really determined to sell us those flowers and climb like 3 hills, and by the end I was like, I gotta buy it from him.
What's your name?
Thank you. Right now, I'm hiking the World's End hike route. I ditched my mother and sister because they're not equipped for an 8-kilometer hike. The plan is I do it in less than 2 hours and a half. And this is my route. Guess what I found? I don't know if you can see it. Yeah. Hello, little friend. Four 0.3 kilometers into my hike. Almost fell down there. Anyway, halfway there. I think I made it to the world's end. I can see the Y section, so it means this hiking route is about to end, just less than 0.8 kilometers, and then I make it to the entrance. Here is the end of my path, 8.2. You know, I had to regain all that calories I burned during the hike. So I got a lot of strawberries, and more strawberries, more strawberries, and more strawberries. As you can see, my beloved mother wanted to take one last stroll in our hotel in Eliya before we made it to Bintota. Before we made it to Bintota, we tried this. Oh yeah, my mother joined. And here is Bintota. What a marvelous view to wake up to. So my mother and I went on this beautiful boat ride in the morning across different islands in the river. Hello. وش اسمك؟ ايوه. After treating us with cinnamon tea, she gave us one hell of a survival tip. The making of ropes from coconut. صح. شوف كله هذا. Before leaving this island, we had to try this unorthodox foot massage. Hello. After this amazing tour, we had to pick our sisters from the hotel to go and see the turtles. These little guys are 1 year old, or one day old actually. Hello.
هذه كل كبيرة.
هذه جمع عليها قرش.
وندي فلوتي.
وما تقدر تسبح خلاص بس تطفو.
أيوة.
This fish is actually older than my mother. 75 years old. And this on my last day in Bintota, I really want to take a very early morning stroll on the beach, read the book, pretended to write a poem, but who am I kidding? There is no one to write a poem for. We said our goodbyes to Bintota, and now we are on our way to Colombo. We stopped by this Fisherman Port where we see different ships and how they actually dry their fish. And by the way, there is an Uber tuk-tuk. Unfortunately, I didn't take any interesting footage about the hotel, but trust me, the view from Taj Colombo is amazing. We didn't stay long in Colombo, but we went through the streets. We've seen this red, amazing masjid. It's kind of a mix of Andalusian with Asian architecture. And obviously, we had to go to the shopping mall and did some shopping. Most important things in the trip is Ahmed's brothers. Sri Lanka is very known for their fruits, so we had to buy some and take it with us back to Oman. كيف حالك فيصل؟
الحمد لله تمام.
طيب
تمام الحمد لله.
وين رايحين نحن تو؟
الحين ان شاء الله نروح مطار.
خلاص ها؟
خلاص اليوم ان شاء الله.
انزين فيصل مشكور جدا على هذه الرحلة الطيبة، وإن شاء الله يكون في رحلات قادمة بإذن الله إن شاء الله. Thank you all for watching the video. I apologize for posting it very late, but hopefully we'll see you in the next adventure. Salam.